Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, we are going to discuss about concept of total probability. So given that capital N mutually exclusive events B suffix n, where small n is equal 1, 2, 3 and so on capital N, whose unions mean summation, whose union equals to the sample space capital S. On the sample space capital S, the probability of any event capital A, probability of A can be written in terms of the conditional probability. So that is probability of A is equal sigma n is equal to 1 to capital N, probability of A by Bn in probability of A by Bn into probability of Bn. So this is the statement of the total probability. So now coming to the proof. So consider a sample space. The sample space as shown in the figure. This is the sample space. Okay. In that sample space, consider two experiments or the two events. So one event is capital A and the second event is capital N mutually exclusive events. So that is B1, B2, B3 and so on Bn. So as shown in this figure. So in this figure, we can observe that the sample space S is equal to union of n is equal to 1 to n Bn. So union means sum of the events. Sum of the events. So this union is also written as this equation is also written as sample space capital S is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to capital N Bn. But we know that from the properties of intersection, capital A is equal to A intersection sample space. A intersection S is equal to A. So this is the property of the intersection. But here sample space capital S is equal to union n is equal to 1 to capital N Bn and substitute capital S value into this expression. We get event capital A is equal to A intersection union n is equal to 1 to n Bn. So RHS term of this equation is also rearranged as union n is equal to 1 to n A intersection Bn. So taking probability on both sides, probability of A is equal to probability of A intersection S. So what is A intersection S? Union n is equal to 1 to n A intersection Bn. So union means sum of the probability, sum of the values. Union means sigma summation. So this RHS term is also written as sigma n is equal to 1 to n. Union means summation. Probability of A intersection Bn. So but we know that using concept of conditional probability, probability of A by B is equal probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. From this equation, probability of A intersection B is equal probability of A by B into probability of B. So using conditional probability. So using this concept, using this expression, so probability of A intersection Bn is written as probability of A by Bn into probability of Bn. So therefore, probability of A is equal sigma n is equal to 1 to n probability of Bn into probability of A by Bn. This is the concept of total probability.